Here we go again. This is definitely a big declutter of lip products. Hi friends, yep, I got a whole lot of lip here that I am going to be decluttering. At the end, I'll tell you how many products are in here, but we're gonna go through this and I have to go fairly fast because if I don't, this is gonna take forever. So let's get into my declutter of my lip products since I have such a lip product weakness. Anyway, let's do this right now. Okay, I'm just gonna keep the glasses on for this whole video because I can't read without them and I don't want this to take forever. So 14 lip liners. I do have several that I got in the e.l.f. Retro Paradise kit that just are so warm and there's no way I can wear them. So I'm just gonna really quickly just swatch all of those for you. Well, that one's not warm, it's pinker than pink, but it's too electric pink for me. So I'm not real happy with that one. The rest of them are just warm browns and that is so weird to me that they would put so many that were just on that brown side in there. And those are the ones that I just can't wear, is the ones that pull orange. Kevin Aquan, the Flesh Tone lip pencil, and apparently it's in flesh tone, and this one pulls to orange for me as well. And beautiful creamy formula on that one. Milani Color Statement lip liner, true instant color, and this color is all natural. I know that this one is one that lots of people like to wear, but again, it just pulls way too orange for me. Koki, we're talking the same thing on this one. This one is Dusty Rose. I don't feel like it's a dusty rose. I feel like it's more of a warm rose on that one. This is from Bite Beauty. These are now discontinued. This is 038. These were the best lip liners I had found in years. And when they said that they were going to discontinue them, I went and bought a ton in 014, which is my perfect mauve purpley color, not purpley, but you know, mauve color. And this one is just a little bit too dark, a little bit too warm again. This one is another one of those Essence ones, and this one is called So Default, and that one is just too warm. Actually, every single one of these, can you see that almost every one of those are pretty much the same color? Okay, I think I got this one in a Boxy Charm, or maybe I got it somewhere else. It's a Winterberry from Deuce Cosmetics, D-O-U-C-C-E. I'm not sure that's exactly how you say it. That's just too red, too berry for me. Can't wear that one. It just turned really funky on my lips. This one is from Colourpop, and this one is discontinued. I can't even see the name on it anymore. If I'm right, this one is one of the BFF ones. I'm not 100% sure on that. This one from Ulta is in wine, and this is one of their automatic liners. I do like this color, and I do like the pencil. I just found that it was drying out. It's a little bit old, so I'm going to get rid of that one, but this is a good one if you guys want to get a wine colored one. And then this is from Juvia's Place, and this is the Love Me. These are the Luxe lip liners. I love everything about these, but this color was not good for me. It just was like, I don't know, it's too rosy or something. I have 3 products that are balm-like products. Also a lip concealer from Sigma. This is called Lose the Halo. So you're supposed to put this around your lips and then line your lips, and it's supposed to be able to kind of, you know, disguise your lips a little bit, and you'll be able to make your lips look a little bit fuller. It's a little bit too emollient. I like to just do that with my foundation and just kind of, you know, blur the lips out. This is too thick for me. As I put on my lip liner, it just kind of moved around a lot when I used this. So it's one that I just am like, it's not that great. And then I have an e.l.f. lip balm, one of their new ones. I did like this, but I'm not crazy about that color. It just was way too hot pink for me. And then I have from Tarte is one of their balms, and I'm just going to pass that on because I have so many balms that I already use and love, and those are just going to go. I have 18 glosses. Why do I not have 19 glosses? Because I have 18 glosses and I have a major addiction to lip products. Okay, one of the things that is the hardest for me with lip products is when lip glosses, excuse me, not just lip products, is when there's grit in a lip gloss. Oh my word. And sometimes I think that I just attract grit because other people will say how much they love a lip gloss, and I will be like, it's got grit in it. What's the deal? And it's just one of those things that I kind of get kind of a mental block about. So surprisingly, I do have 3, and two of them are high-end. The first one is from e.l.f. This is their lip lacquer, and this is just a clear one. This has got a ton of grit in it to me. The next one is from Ofra. This was the release by Samantha March, and it just, I love it. I think this color is absolutely beautiful over just about anything, but it does have a little bit of grit in it, and it just drives me crazy when I have it on. And then this one is from Fenty Beauty, and it has glitter in it like crazy, and this is the cocoa one. I did use up the pink one, but it had a lot in there too, and it was just like killing me to have to use that up before I got rid of it. So I'm getting rid of that one. And then this is another Just a Tint from Colourpop, and again, that crayon is just, it's like bubblegum pink. It's a nice crayon, very balmy. I really think that that would be great if you wanted that color. I think if you can find a pretty color in this one, definitely pick it up because it's a beautiful balm. So if you like more balms than lipsticks, you might really like that one. This one from Pixie Beauty, as you can see in the tube right there, it's a gloss. It was just too orange for me, too coral for me. This one is from Wet n Wild, and this one is just way too, oh my gosh, it's the most metallic pink I've ever seen, and it just looks like a disco ball on my lips. Then I've got one that was from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop's collab. This one is just way too orange for me as well. I did swatch that right there. You guys, what that is an eyeshadow that I thought was a lip gloss, and it's an eyeshadow, so I'm not going to be putting that one in here. This one is the Galaxy Lumiere Holographic Lip Gloss from L'Oreal, and they discontinued this one, so this is one that I'm going to pass on. And then I've got a couple of lip oils. This one's a lip oil from Colourpop. I'm not crazy about this formula. This one is a lip gloss from Colourpop. I do like this formula. However, I don't feel like it stayed on too terribly long, and I thought there was going to be more of an opaqueness or an opacity to it, and there's not at all. So those are both going. And then I have one from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Saint-Tropez that is a beautiful color, and I would keep this, but this is really old and it's starting to get a weird smell, so I'm going to trash that one instead of passing it on to anyone. I have one that is the glossed lip glosses from Sephora. I did like this when I first got it, but again, I thought it was going to be a little bit more opaque than it is, and it just turned into a weird funky pink, bright pink color on my lips, so I'm going to be getting rid of that one. Liquid Catsuits from Wet n Wild. These are really great glosses. This is their glossy formula of the Liquid Catsuit, and I'm getting rid of these because they're very old. It's not that I don't like the formula, because I do have several of the formula in other colors, but these are really old. I have to get rid of those. This one is from e.l.f. This is the lip lacquers again. This one I actually do like. It has a beautiful gloss to it. It has enough color, but you know that it's not going to sheer out on you. I do like this one. However, I do have a bunch of these in other colors, so I'm going to pass that one on to my sister or my daughter. And then the Amore Lip Shine from Milani. Again, I think that they're discontinuing these. I'm not 100%, but this is a beautiful color on the gloss. You can get a lot of opacity out of that too. I do have a couple others of these, so I'm assuming that I am decluttering that. I did this declutter like probably 4 weeks ago. I just am now getting around to filming what I'm getting rid of. We're gonna go with the obvious. All of these are liquid lipsticks that dry my lips out so bad, and I have older maturing lip vertical lines, and if they are that drying, they're just gonna make those lines look that much worse. So 6 of them are liquid lipsticks that I just can't wear. And yes, this is the one from Samantha March and Ofra as well. This one it just does not work on me. I keep trying those, and I don't know why I can't get into my head that I can't keep trying them, because they are just too drying on me, but I don't learn my lesson. Colourpop. This is called Little Things. I don't even think they make this anymore. This is one of their lipsticks. It's a very bubblegum pink, kind of a pretty color, but not one that I reach for all the time. Makeup Revolution, they don't make this one anymore that I know of. This is an extremely matte lipstick, so you get the little bit of hydration in it, but if you like a matte lipstick, you might like that formula. Very matte, not the right color for me, and the matte just doesn't work that well on me. This one is from LA Girl. I did like this formula, however this color was orange, so I don't like that one. This one is from Wet n Wild. This is the new one with the little Pat McGrath lips on it, and this one didn't work for me either. It was just too, I don't know, I think I may have had one like this. It's a little bit too orange. I get real picky with my lipsticks, and yet I keep buying them. Wrong colors on the Peach Fuzz from L'Oreal, just much too peach. That's a very balmy one. So if you do like peach and you do like having your lipstick be a little bit thinner, that's a really nice formula as far as aging lips go on that one. And then Maybelline, this is the Ruby for Me. I thought I was going to keep this because I did that video and I got such good feedback from it, but I cannot wear this. I look in the mirror and I just freak myself out, so I can't wear that one. From MAC, this is Cream in Your Coffee. This one I actually thought I was going to love. But again, it's just not the right tone for me. Even though I love MAC's formula, I'm going to make sure that goes to somebody else that has that right tone. Rimmel's lipsticks. This is number 111. I'm not exactly sure what that one is. Look at the difference in reds right there. That's what tells you what is different in a red. You either have the orange red or you have the blue red. So this one isn't the sweet spot in between. This one is Pink for Me. I did a video on this one too. That was the Ruby for Me, Pink for Me, Red for Me, Mauve for Me. I do like this one, but I have a couple other colors that are like this from Maybelline. This one is Magnificent Mauve from Maybelline. You cannot get that one anymore. Nice formula on that, very thin, but you cannot get that one anymore. And then this one is Rosy Pink, which I do like as well, but I had another color that was really close to this, so I'm gonna let that one go as well. I have so many lipsticks. This one is from the new Makeup Revolution. It's got the lips on it. Everybody's trying to do the Charlotte Tilbury lip thing. This one is just not a good color for me, and the formula wasn't great for me either. Dried my lips out really bad. This one is from Doll 10. This is a much too slippery formula for me, so it felt like a lip balm instead of being a nice color. That one is, what color is that one? This one is Throwing Kisses, is that one right there. So that one's kind of a mauvey one. This one is from Believe Beauty. This one is the Satin Crush Lipstick in Soft Rose. I like this formula, and I think I liked the color as well, but I do have a lot. As you've seen, I've been decluttering a bunch of these, and this is kind of the color I go for. I need to stop. This one is from CoverGirl. Same thing, almost the identical color there. I don't know why I picked that color up, but I do. This one is in Bear, so that one is going. And then the last two, one is Audacious Mauve from Revlon in the matte formula. This is pretty, but again, it's not one that I reach for that often. And then this one is one you can no longer get, called Scorpio Moon from the Colourpop line. And that one I love, but again, I do have a couple others that are like that, and you can't get it, so I don't like to show it on camera when you can't get it. Let me count these and we'll see how good we did on decluttering. All right, I'm embarrassed. There's 63 here. 63 lip products, but that's good because my collection gets overwhelmed with ones that I don't reach for anymore, and so it's good to get rid of them and be able to organize and see what you have and just love what you have. So I hope that you did enjoy this declutter. Please give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying this declutter series. I do this once a year and I go through each category. The next step will be the finale with the eye products, everything except for the eye palettes. So mascara, liner, eyeshadows, some liquid eyeshadows, that kind of thing will all be going into that one. I hope this inspires some of you to possibly go through your stash and be able to get rid of things and move them on to someone else that might be able to use them more than you can. Love you guys very much, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, friends.